Hi everyone, we are from SIYOMICRO. SIYOMICRO is a cosmetic company. We focus on synthetic biology. We use the micro cell factory to produce the natural ingredient. Here is our product, like the SOD. This one is agaricin and ectoin. This is our used product. In this exhibition, we have the new products. Here is the human-like collagen type 3. And the other is the fermentation-based product. We use the strains always screening from the environmental, from the like hot spring, like the deep sea. All this extreme environment give the strain the special ability. We use this special strain and mix with the plant to produce our new ingredient. This one is our superstar product, agroxani. It's usually used product by the chemical synthesis. This product is use the microorganism to product it. It is more safe. It can cut down the price at first compared of the chemical synthesis, and second, it's very environment friendly. I think we can use this technology to the other areas, like not only cosmetic, like food, agriculture, and I think we can change the area. We can supply the ingredient more environmental friendly, and is more green. To learn more, please contact us.